Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm back with some English tips. Eyeball, which means to look directly or closely. Example, Francis eyeballed a beautiful woman at the party. Take a gander at something, which means to look at something. Next, cast an eye on or over something, which means to look at something or examine something. Browse, which means to look through the pages of a book or a magazine, look at the goods in a shop without really wanting to buy anything. Example, Sheila spent all the afternoon browsing the boutiques. Scrutinize, which means to examine thoroughly and carefully. Example, John scrutinized the painting at the museum. One word substitution, that which reminds one of something, reminiscent. A reasoner willing to avail himself of fallacies that will help his case. Sophist. Very delicate flaw or mistake which is not expected from the person making it. Solecism. A symbolic religious ceremony, especially baptism. Sacrament. Someone on whom the blame for other sins can be fixed. Scapegoat. Abounding in blood. Sanguine. Overbearing. Supercilious. Extremely refined in dress, conduct and speech, fashionable and modernized, sophisticated. A person who flatters others for personal motives. Sycophant. Concise and full of meaning. Sententious. One who takes pleasure in cruel, inhuman and unnatural acts of tyranny. Sadist. That which surpasses. Transcendental. Extreme enthusiasm for a cause. Zeal. A person who is indifferent to pleasure or pain. Stoic. Person sent on a mission. Emissary. Communication between mind and other than the known channel of senses. Telepathy. The practice of taking exorbitant or excessive interest on money lent. Biaskhori. Usury. Guilt of accepting bribes. Extremely mercenary. Venal. A person who spends his money recklessly. Spendthrift. Incapable of being penetrated, impenetrable. Incapable of being wounded or hurt, invulnerable. Incapable of being repaired, irreparable. Incapable of being avoided, unavoidable or inevitable. Incapable of being explained or accounted for, inexplicable. That's all for today. We'll be back with more English tips. Thank you.